when I was menstruating, but my master wouldn't let me. He said, "Stuff yourself with paper, it's no big deal."
Aside from coal, Japan had little else to export, except for young Japanese girls sold off as prostitutes. Both commodities played an important role in Japan's modernization. These young Japanese girls were packed into boxes, barrels, and crates, with hardly any room to move. They were known as the beautiful merchandise.
Ong Keng Sen, my name is not Mayumi, it's Hiroko. Mayumi is my daughter's name.
Your daughter?
I don't have a son, I have a daughter. She's 8 years old. My husband's name is Yoji and he is an architect.
Mayumi, please stop.
I am a reporter from the Tokyo Daily. I came here to collect data about the karayuki-sans for a book I'm going to write. It was something that I had to do not only for myself, but for you and your friends who have suffered as karayuki-sans. I set up this entire conspiracy to coax you into telling me everything about your life.
From our emperor and pray to the gods that we will be again reborn and that you shall become again members of the Japanese nation.
The final crime committed by the karayuki-sans was to prostitute herself.
She would be worth more if her nose were not so flat. Another said, show your teeth and still get up and move. Don't make me hit you. Faster, slower, stop, turn around, swat, lift your kimono.